Ohio Memory offers a variety of search options, whether you're looking for a specific item in the digital collection or are interested in all of the content we have related to a specific topic. From the Ohio Memory homepage, you have a few options to begin. You can use the main search bar to perform a Google-like search across the entire Ohio Memory site. You can choose to exclude full-text sources, which will eliminate results like newspapers and other lengthy publications with lots of textual content. Or you can restrict by format, if you'd like to limit the results you see to just one or a few specific format types. Let's take a look at what your results look like for each of these options, starting with a basic search with no search limitations. Type your search term in the main search bar and click Search. You can see there are over 10,000 results for this term across all collections on Ohio Memory and across all format types. Scrolling down, we can see a variety of handwritten and typed manuscript materials, as well as images, newspapers, and other publications. On your results page, you can interact with your results in a number of ways. You can change the way that your results are sorted using the drop-down in the middle. You can toggle between a thumbnail view of results and the more descriptive excerpt that we see by default. And you can change the number of results displayed per page. You can also navigate through multiple pages of results using the numbered pages, the left-right arrows, or the Go to Page function by typing in your desired page number. Now let's go back to the homepage and try our same search using the Exclude Full Text search option. You'll see here we have a much narrower set of results, excluding text-heavy formats like newspapers and published books and directories. Our results do still include manuscript materials, both handwritten and typed, which can often be more relevant to a particular search term than those longer textual materials in which our search term might appear one or more times. Let's return to the homepage one more time to see how we can limit our search by format to look only for specific format types. In this case, we'll perform the same search and restrict our search to images and objects. We get an even more specific set of results focused only on photographs, cartoons, and other visual material. You can always see the search terms that are currently applied in these boxes at the top of the page. If at any time you want to broaden your search and remove a search limiter, you can click the X. Doing so takes us back to our original result set of over 10,000 when we performed our search from the homepage without applying any restrictions. If you would prefer to narrow your search results from the results page, you can use the facets available on the left-hand side. These include collections, creator, format, and subject. Navigate to the facet by which you would like to narrow your search and select the appropriate term. You can continue to narrow your results even further using the same facet options, or you can click the X to return to your previous, broader result set. To limit your search to one or more specific collections on Ohio Memory, click on Show All, deselect all collections, and check the boxes for the collections that you'd like to search. Scroll down and click Update. You can always return to an all Ohio Memory search by clicking Select All Collections and clicking Update again. While you can narrow a search very effectively using the features we've just looked at, you can also use the Advanced Search, either from the Ohio Memory homepage or from your results page here, to perform a search using different levels of detail. You'll notice that we have some of the same options to specify results here as we saw in the facets. You can limit the format of results you'd like returned, indicate a date range which you want to apply to your results, or limit your search to just specific collections within Ohio Memory, from one up to as many as you'd like. If you don't specify any of these search parameters, the system will default to look across all formats, all date ranges, and all collections. The Advanced Search also allows you to combine terms in different ways, and in specific fields or across all fields to fine-tune your search results. Let's try the search term suffrage movement in the first blank. We can set our search to all words, which will require all words in your search blank to be present somewhere within a document or a record's descriptive information to bring it back as a result, or any of the words, which will require one or more of your search terms to be present. Let's take a quick look at the difference. Searching for all brings back just under 4,000 results, while changing to any brings back a much larger set of over 46,000. Exact phrase will search for the exact characters in the exact order you've typed them. None of the words, when combined with another search term, will exclude all results that include the specific words you've indicated in that field. And within 5 words, we'll perform a proximity search, looking for the terms in your search within 5 words of each other, but appearing in any order. This last option can be especially useful for things like individual names, which might appear separated by a middle initial, or in the order of last name, first name. You can also combine multiple search terms in a variety of ways. Just click Add Another Line and adjust the terms and fields you'd like to look for. For example, we can search for materials with suffrage in the subject field, and Cleveland in the place field. Clicking Submit will bring up the results that meet the characteristics you've indicated. As always, you can narrow your results further using the facets on the left-hand side, or remove search terms that have been applied by clicking the X to broaden your results. If you go back to the advanced search, your search terms are still there to adjust or expand as needed. If your basic or advanced search isn't bringing back any results, consider broadening it so that you aren't missing potentially relevant records. If your search is bringing back way too many results, think of which elements you can narrow to find just what you're looking for. If you ever have questions about improving your search techniques, feel free to contact us at ohiomemory@ohiohistory.org.